Superior CVI Course Request Tutorial for selecting courses for the 2016-2017 school year. Course requests for next year are to be inputted online by March the 4th. The website will be open from February 8th to March 4th. You may access the website, or you can click on the flashing icon on the SCVI homepage, Choose Courses here. You will need your username, which is your student number, and you will also need your password, which is your birth date. Why is it important to input your course requests? A course for the 2016-2017 school year will run based on the number of students who select it. If a course does not receive enough requests, it may be subject to cancellation. For example, if you are interested in taking grade 11 cooperative education for next year, you should include it in your course requests. If only a few students request it, it will likely be cancelled, and then you will be forced to choose another course to take in its place from what is available. Things to remember. Do your homework in planning your course requests. Consider all of your options, your strengths, and interests. Keep in mind post-secondary prerequisites and pathways. Talk with your teachers, parents, and counselor if you have questions or are uncertain about something. Make sure you have the prerequisite courses completed. If you have been unsuccessful in a compulsory course, make sure you include it in your requests. Prepare your list of course requests before you go online. Use the chart at the bottom of the planner sheet to record your choices. Once you click Submit, you are unable to change your course requests. If you need to make a change, you must make an appointment with your guidance counselor. The Ontario Secondary School Diploma requirements are outlined below. In order to earn an OSSD, a student must complete 18 compulsory credits, as well as 12 optional credits. Students must also complete 40 hours of community service, as well as meeting the provincial literacy requirement. Every student will have a credit counseling summary. Your name can be found at the top, as well as your student number. The number of community hours that have been earned are indicated, as well as your status for the literacy test. Compulsory credits earned are listed on the left-hand side, while electives are on the right. Your current year courses and achievement are listed here, as well as credit totals at the bottom, broken into both compulsory and electives. When reading a course code, please keep in mind the following. The first three letters indicate the subject area. The number indicates the grade. For example, 1 is grade 9, 2 is grade 10, 3 is grade 11, and 4 is grade 12. This letter identifies the course type. For example, in grades 9 and 10, D is academic, P is applied, L is locally developed, and O is open. The last digit is assigned to further distinguish course characteristics. For example, a 1 indicates that the course generates 1 credit. For grade 11 and 12 courses, the following letters are used in the 5th spot to indicate the course type. How many courses am I requesting for next year? Current grade 9s. For grade 10, you will choose 6 compulsory courses and 3 electives. English, Math, Science, History, Civics, and Careers. For current grade 10s, for grade 11, you will choose 2 compulsory courses and 6 electives. English and Math. Remember that if you need to repeat a compulsory course, you must include it in your course requests. For elective courses, refer to the course calendar and be sure to note if there is a prerequisite. The Specialist High Skills major is offered at our school. The three areas are aviation and aerospace, health and wellness, and manufacturing. If you are presently a grade 10 student and interested in this, please see your guidance counselor as this begins in the grade 11 year. Successful completion of a Specialist High Skills major earns a student a red seal on his or her diploma. For current grade 11 students choosing courses for grade 12, you will choose one compulsory course and at least 5 elective courses, the one compulsory being English. Consider your group 1, 2, and 3 compulsory credits. Consider the prerequisites you may be required to take in grade 12 for post-secondary programs and destinations. For current grade 12 students, if you are not returning next year, select NRT 100 and NRT 200. If you are returning semester 1 only, select NRT 200 plus a minimum of 3 courses for semester 1. Online course selection instructions. Log on to Career Cruising, CC Pathfinder. The website is listed for you, or you can click on the flashing icon on the CVI homepage. Watch the CC Pathfinder student demonstration video before you begin. You can find it near the bottom of the login page. To log in, you will need your username, which is your student number, as well as your password, which is your birth date. Secondly, click on Choose My Courses from the menu on the left-hand side. Thirdly, select courses in the column for next year. They are highlighted in blue. Next, click on the blue Submit button once completed. Note, once you have submitted your course selections, you will be unable to change them yourself. You must book an appointment with your guidance counselor. And finally, print the sign-off sheet. Have a parent or guardian sign it and return it to the secretary in Student Services. Reminder, the online site is open for course selections from February 8th to March the 4th. The Mathematics Pathways and Prerequisite chart is listed here. If you have any questions as to which math you should be taking, please speak with your math teacher or your guidance counselor. The Education and Career Life Planning Framework is a 4-step inquiry process that can be found on Career Cruising. Please spend some time on Career Cruising before making your course requests. Career Cruising and My IPP. The Individual Pathways Plan is a tool located on the Career Cruising website. To log in, you will need your student number, and your birth date will serve as your password. A summary of features can be found, including Career Matchmaker, Explore Careers, Explore Education and Training, and the Career Portfolio tool. Here is the course request planning sheet. Record your course requests in the chart at the bottom of your planning sheet. Note, all 9 slots on the planning sheet will be filled in with the course selections if you are taking the half credits of grade 10 Careers and Civics. Things to remember. Do your planning before you go online. Remember that courses run dependent on how many students select them. Book an appointment with your guidance counselor if you have any questions or concerns. Course selections must be entered online by March the 4th. Please book an appointment if you have any questions. Thank you for your attention.